Hello everyone, this is Ene here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create the BP logo in Inkscape. The BP logo is based on a sunflower and represents energy in its various forms. Alright, so to get started we go ahead and we create a new composition. I'll add the color codes for the color palette in the description below so that you can follow along with me. So first we are going to add horizontal and vertical center guides to the composition. So we take guides from the rulers menu and we bring them to the composition. And then to position them in the center, we go to File, Document Properties, and we note the width and the height of the composition. And then we double click on the guides. And we set the value to 210 divided by 2. And then we double click on the other guide. And we set the value to 297 divided by 2. And we click on OK. So now we have our center guides in the middle of the composition. Before we start drawing the logo, make sure that snapping, bounding boxes and all of its elements, other points and all of its elements, as well as guidelines are enabled. And then we're going to start drawing the logo. So we take the ellipse tool and we go ahead and we draw an ellipse. And then we go to the fill and stroke panel. We are going to set the fill to none. We set the stroke to black. And we set the stroke width to 1 millimeter. For this logo, we are going to need ellipses of 1 to 1.3 ratio. So we take the selector tool and we set the width to 100 millimeters. And we set the height 130 millimeters. And then we select the ellipse. We center it vertically. And then we have its lower extremity sit on the horizontal axis. So now we have it in position. And then we're going to duplicate it. So overall, we are going to need 18 ellipses. So in order to do that, we click on it and we set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. And then we go to the transform panel. If you don't have it, you can go here and you have it here. And then we go to the rotate tab. So we are going to duplicate and rotate the ellipse. So we are going to need 18 overall. So we set the rotation angle to 360 divided by 18. And then we press on Ctrl D to duplicate the ellipse. And we click on Apply. So we repeat the process. We press on Ctrl D and we click on Apply until we have 18 ellipses overall. Like this. Alright, so now we have all the ellipses that we need. And we select all 18 ellipses. So here the intersection of the ellipses creates some shapes. And we are going to keep the third, the fourth, and the fifth shapes that are created by the intersection of the ellipses. And we are going to do that with the shape builder tool, which is located here. So we set the action to add. Here we leave replace objects as on in order to remove what remains of the ellipses when we are finished with the shape builder tool. And here we click on the third, the fourth, and the fifth shapes that are created by the intersection of the ellipses, starting from the middle of the composition. And then we click on Accept. So this leaves us with these three shapes. And then we're going to give colors to them. So we select the top shape. We take the dropper tool and we set its color to dark green. And then we select the second shape. We take the dropper tool and we set its color to light green. And then we select the last shape and we set its color to yellow. And then we select all three shapes. We're going to remove the stroke. So we go to the fill and stroke panel. We go to stroke and we remove the stroke. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate these three shapes to have the rest of the logo. So we press on Ctrl G to group them together. And then we click on the group. And we set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. And we're going to duplicate and rotate them, just like we did with the ellipses. So we go to the transform panel. We leave the angle as it is. And we press on Ctrl D to duplicate. And then we click on apply. And then we continue the process until we have 18 groups overall. Alright, and this completes the logo. So you learned how to create the BP logo in Inkscape. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.